Ya gitu ya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody.
Morning, ma'am.
Who is the captain of this class?
Me, Rani, ma'am.
Oh, Rani. Rani, please let us to pray together.
Okay, before start our lesson, pray begin. Finish.
Amin. And now I will ask to you about the attendance. Abdul.
Sick, ma'am.
Oh, how?
Begin.
Finish. Adrian.
Me, ma'am.
Okay. Rani.
Me, ma'am.
Okay. Before we start our lesson, we will do brain exercise.
Yay.
Now, get up. And put your hands in the air. And follow my gesture. To the right, to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. Increase the speed. This can give you more concentrate. Increase your concentration. Ayo, increase. And stop. You can please sit up. Okay, today we will run about the quadratic equation. Anyone can give an example of quadratic equation?
Me, ma'am. Me, ma'am.
Oh, yes, okay. Maybe first Rani can give an example of quadratic equation. Okay. Maybe next Adrian. Yeah, it is right. Okay, can you sit down? And what if this quadratic equation we make to equal 0? What do you think?
We can get the value of x, ma'am.
And how to find the value of x?
I don't know, ma'am.
Oh, can you to understand?
I don't know.
Oh, I cannot. I will give you the learning material. We will learn about how to find the value of x, or we can say the root of quadratic equation. This for Rani and this for Matia. One method to solve the quadratic equation is use factoring by inspection. To more understand how to use this method, we play the game.
Yay!
Yeah. This is the box. I have the box. In this box, there are 3 types of rectangle. And the name of this game is algebraic tiles. Now, there are 3 kinds of rectangle. The first, the biggest one. The second, is the medium, and the last is the smallest. For the biggest one, the size is x and x. So the area of this rectangle is
X squared.
the second, the size is x and 1. So the area of this rectangle is
X.
X.
and the smallest is 1 and 1. So the area of this rectangle,
1.
yeah, okay. From this rectangle, we can form one big rectangle. It is made of something marvelous. Are you curious?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yes, ma'am. Yes. Now I will give an example how to use this rectangle. Can you help me to erase the whiteboard? Don't forget to put the trash on trash box.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you spot what type of this shape?
Rectangle.
Rectangle. And do you remember how to find the area of this rectangle? The area is length
Length
times
times width.
width. For the width, we get the size of this rectangle is
X
x plus
plus X
plus
plus 1.
1.
X plus 1.
X plus 1. And the length of this rectangle is x plus
1, 2, 3.
So we get the length is
X
plus
plus 3
and the width.
times X plus 1.
So we can calculate this
X square
x square
plus X plus 3X plus 3.
so the
X squared plus 4X plus 3.
yes. Now if we equal this quadratic equation is equal 0, and we can change this value of x, what x that can make this quadratic equation equal 0?
X,
For this x is equal,
x equal negative 3
and for this,
or x equal negative 1.
yeah, it's right. So the roots of the value of x in this quadratic equation is negative 3 or negative 1. And maybe anyone can give one example. Use this algebraic test. Yes, Rani. This is the box. Asrian, can you understand what the lesson today?
We can find the x of quadratic equation with the following instruction.
So you understand this?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Maybe if you any question, you can ask to me.
Yes.
Okay. Good job, Adrian.
Is it right, Ram?
Oh. Yeah, it is bright. Give applause to Rani. Now, can you spot that the algebraic test only use is easier to understand if the value of all the constant or coefficient is small. Like this is x squared plus 5x plus 4, and before we learn x squared plus 4x plus 3 and etc. What if the coefficient and the constant of this quadratic equation has the big value, like can you please help me to erase this by hand? Might be like something big. It's like 56. From this quadratic equation, if we use algebraic tiles, we must need more this smallest rectangle. So we need 56 rectangles, smallest rectangles, and it is difficult to us to make this bigger and bigger. So we need this smallest one is more and more. And now please open the learning material on page 14. At the end you can open to. In this section, pay attention the value of x. The value of x we can get from the factor of this constant. After that, we add addition operation to the factors of the constant. And then, the value of the addition operation must be 15. And then after that we can get the value of x of the root of this equation. Maybe anyone can solve this problem?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Give applause to Rani. Pay attention, there is a little mistake. If we write an equation, don't forget to put the equivalent symbol. Don't forget always put the equivalent symbol. And it is right, yes, because the factor of 56 that if we add addition operation equal 15 is 8 and 7, because 8 times 7 equals 15 and 8 plus 7 equals 9 and 15. Yeah. Oh, the time is almost done. It's very sorry because we not any longer to learning today. So from the lesson today we get the many knowledge. Can anyone give a conclusion of what we get from this lesson today?
We can find the x of quadratic equation. Use the factoring expression.
Yes, it is right. And now, to improve your ability to solve this problem, you can learn from the learning material that I give to you. You can do many exercises on the learning material, on the internet, on the book, and etc. And you can solve the problem on the learning material on the assignment that I give to you. Okay. And we will talk again in the next week. And we will discuss the problem. What will you have done in the home and the next week. So, from Rani, you can lead us to pray together before finish our lesson today.
Okay, ma'am. Pray begin. Finish.
Amen. Thank you everybody for the attention. and see you next week.